Hey everyone, welcome back. If the ING app shows an error code, it usually points to a specific system or account issue. First, note the error code shown on the screen. Then, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the app, swipe it completely, and then wait for a few while, then reopen your app. After reopening it, try logging in again. Then, check that your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Or if you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then head over to your app store, search for the ING app, and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and also make sure that you're to the latest version. If the error code appears during login or payment, wait a few minutes and try again, as it may be a temporary server issue. If the error code keeps appearing, contact ING support and provide exact code for faster assistance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.